Lesson 4A is going to be just a music term lesson. And this music term that you're about to learn is called measure. So far we've learned about note head, which is this part right here of the note, stem, which is the thingamajiggy, and the bar line that divides our rhythm patterns into sections. And remember, in each section is going to have the same amount of beats. So this section here, for example, has 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. So that means this section here is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats as well. Now, that one section that you've used that you use a bar line to divide into sections, this section actually is not just called a section, it's called a measure. So a measure is that section that a bar line divides your notes into sections. So this right here is a measure. It'll look better when we learn more about music writing and things. So right now, just know that this section is actually now called a measure. We don't circle it. I'm just circling it so that you can see that this here is a measure. So when you have two bar lines, what's in between? That's a measure. Even though there's one bar line here and there's not one here, you can put one here. That is a measure too. So this is a measure. This is a measure. That's what it basically is. Please take some time right now. Take 10 seconds. Go through this pop quiz. Name each of these. Oh, snap. You can't do it. That's it. That's the one I wanted you to do. Sorry about that. 10 seconds. Go. Name them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time's up. If you're partnered up, go through the answers together and make sure that you name them right. If you're by yourself, you can go back to the previous slide and get the answers. Or you can just say them to yourself and make sure that you got them right, and then use the slide to reference and make sure that you did get them right. So that is lesson 4A. That is measure.